So at this point, me just stressed out, can't bother, and you could definitely hear it in my voice, okay?
I said, baby, let's go. I ain't in love, that's for sure. You want some bread, got that dough. Are we gonna party some more? We up and down on that floor. Can you just shake it some more? I got some money to throw. The way you up and down on that pole, I ain't got no reason.
Okay, there it goes. YouTube! I go by the name of Niel Morgan and I am back with another one for your head top. So our title suggests today I'm gonna be doing a little something with my hair. Yeah. As y'all can see, I'm a natural. Look at it. You can still see the waves and all of that. Yeah, as you can see, I'm natural and then ting there. And we're gonna start off with washing my hair, of course. Yeah. I'm gonna give y'all a backstory about everything a little bit later. Okay? But my shampoo is over there somewhere, but I ain't going for it. This is the conditioner. How they be doing it? They be doing it like this. Hold on. Can you see? Yeah, can I see? Oh, there it go. Yeah, this is the conditioner or whatever. Leaving. Focus now, brother. Go. Oh, there it go. And wait till the focus back on me. There we go. It's focusing. Is it? No. Okay, whatever. This right here is actual Jamaican castor oil. It's like pure from the hills of Clarendon or whatever. Big up Sunbury and them thing there. I'm gonna be maybe, I have a surprise with the castor oil. That's gonna happen in a few years. Maybe in a few months. Who knows or whatever. But yeah, I'm about to go wash my hair. I used to get a lot of questions from people. Actually, you know what? Never mind. I'll do the backstory later. But yeah, I'm about to go wash this. Y'all wanna know what army life is like? Like, I literally set up the camera to do this video, which I've been trying to do for the entire week. I was literally about to just get in the shower, wash my hair, and come back and show you what I was gonna do with my hair. And I literally get a text message saying, send ex-soldiers to Y place. Like, actually, I'm not gonna show y'all, but it literally says, send people to go do this. And it's been happening every single day this whole week. Like, literally. This is what army life is like. You gotta be flexible. You feel me? You gotta be able to move like that. Anyway, I'm about to go to work real quick and do whatever it is that I gotta go do. And I'll be back. I promise. I'll be right back. Don't worry, I'll be right back. Alright. So I'm back. I'm back from work or whatever. Told you I'll be back, right? I never break promises, ever. But found it. I got the shampoo when I got it. Literally just got out the shower. Literally, like, my hair is still kind of wet or whatever. But I just wanted y'all to see, like, what I'm working with. Yeah, baby. Yeah. So this is my hair. There's no product in it right now. I just shampooed and conditioned it or whatever. And now we are, see, look, it's literally still dripping. I literally just washed it. So at this point, me just stressed out, can't bother, and you could definitely hear it in my voice, okay? I didn't get pretty far yet, but this is how it's going so far. I actually kind of like it, but so I'm gonna 2-strand twist my hair instead. Yeah, I'm a 2-strand twist it instead of coiling it because, what I'm trying to do, it is actually coming out very nice. But and for me doing it by myself, not knowing what the hell I'm doing, it's actually coming out very nice. But Just so I'm gonna 2-strand twist it because of my job. Yummy on me. All right, let's go. Put these up. Just 2-strand twist this bad boy. They all fall down. They all fall down. See if I can stuck it in there. Stuck it in there. All right, so let me just 2-strand twist this real quick, naive. And I'm not gonna be using a comb because I'm a real red rasta. So I'm not gonna be using a comb. I'm just gonna be feeling for it. So based on the research that I've been doing, I actually don't want to 2-strand twist it, but and the reason I don't want to 2-strand twist it is because the less manipulation you do when you're starting out, the better. So I'm kind of upset that I have to do this right now, but you know, work purposes. Work purposes, you know what I mean? No people not have no work, you know, so let me try and keep my work. Yeah, I'm try and keep my job. All right, so that's my 2-strand twist. You can see, focus, no man. It's not focusing. All right, so that's one of them. And I shall be back with the rest. All right, guys, so as you can see, I've gotten this far. Yeah, feel me? I got just about a quarter left to do. As you can see, I have a lot of hair, so it takes me a really long time to do my hair. It takes anyone a long time to do my hair. Like literally, like if I'm doing straight back braids, like if I'm putting the meat millies in my hair, it takes whoever's doing my hair at least 2 hours. So I have a lot of hair, it takes a long time. So what I'm about to do right now is take a break. It's actually coming out really nice. You know, I've never like actually done this myself before in my own hair. But 2-strand twist isn't like super hard to do. So I'm figuring it out or whatever. I'm gonna go take a break. I don't know how long my break is gonna be, but I'm tired, so I'm gonna rest a little bit. But your girl is out here. You feel me? Yeah. Shout out to everybody who used to do my hair before. I feel your pain. I know I'm easy something for you that bro good. John Odag. Abe, me can do my ear. Abe, me can do my ear. Can you do your ear? Ooh. Yes. Now my hair can get a break from the bun and the gel and the whatever, the edge control. Just be itself. I'm so excited. Easy, breezy, beautiful. Bonaman.
You're healthy, you're strong, you look good, you have all of the something there about you. Yes, goody!
Alright, alright. Alright, so this is the finished product. It kind of got like a little bit puffy because I had a, I took a nap and I had a bonnet on. But this is the finished product. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. The subscription is very important. If you're watching my video and you haven't subscribed, that's just really kind of petty. We're on the road to, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Feel me? Like I said, I'm giving away something very nice when I get to 1,000 subscribers. So subscribe. It might be you who gets something. A little 1,000 subscribers giveaway. We march into 1K. So subscribe to join the militant mafia. You heard? I like this. I really do. I like how it came out, girl. Like, you have used on you. I've used my hands. I've used me. It's not a cruff. Yeah? And if you can't do your ear like I said, use a bat. Abe. I'm out.
Can I love you, baby? Now ain't that the question? How we gonna roll together without no direction? You say you love me, feeling my affection. But then you rather play it safe, girl, and be my best friend. If you my best friend, why you stop the texting? Just because you got a man don't mean you flexing. I done caught a couple chicks and learned my lesson. That's why I keep praying every day and counting blessings.